Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and I hope that you can see those green lines. I've applied them before I've started this recording, and it is because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work, so they should disappear. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, which are right here, and it doesn't really matter on which mode you will be. So let's tap on the settings. Here, let's scroll down to the very bottom to find reset settings, and simply tap on reset. As you can see, we automatically got back to the camera, and we cannot see the green lines, which simply means that all of the settings has been restored to their defaults. So basically that's all. This is how to reset camera settings in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.